Trainly TV. And I fairly often get asked, hey, what's new in the workshop? And so I thought I'd spend a little bit of time, just a few minutes, and give you a quick tour and let you know what we've been doing and how it's kind of set up. So actually, about 2 months ago, I went ahead and decided I need to go ahead and organize my garage and clean it. So we went through every single cupboard and compartment and went through and looked, organized and cleaned everything. So we got rid of our old floor pads and got these industrial grade cushion floor mats, and boy, they are really nice. They're really comfortable to work on and to stand on for several hours, so that was great. And then we got some new interlocking pads here that kind of for our workstation. And of course, we get a lot of questions when people see this in the background and go, what is that? Well, that's my little paint booth, and I can plug that in and also hook up a vacuum, and I have filters in the top, and it will go ahead and kind of make everything easy to paint, keep all the paint spray in the box there, and it gets sucked out through the filters. I change those every so often. And over here we have my little full photo box here for taking pictures of trains, cars, and things like that, that when we put them up for the pre-owned on the websites, this is where we do the photographs. We have quite a few of these drop-down power cords, which make it convenient for getting power to wherever we need it. And then we have all of our storage shelves here with several of the buildings that we worked on over the years, or ones that we need to do stuff on during the winter to get them ready for springtime. And the fun part, which took a long time, was going through every single cabinet, cleaning them out, organizing it, and getting it all ready to start working and running on trains again. And we did all the drawers, organized everything. So we have drawers of sandpaper, all of our desk type stuff, lots of little clamps and snips and wire strippers and things. And these I use all the time. I have a friend that's a dental hygienist, and she gives me these all these old dental tools after she's sterilized them, and we use those quite a bit. And then we have all of our soldering and scissors, and this spare project little drawer, and organized all the batteries. And then down here is where we have a lot of the wood and supplies that we work on, and sheets of plywood, glass, PVC, and so forth. And then our central vac, and we have a dust collector, and of course everything wrapped around with a grounding cord. And we have these vacuum ports all along the workbench, as well as these air lines for any of the air tools. So, and then we have these little controls here for running our whistle outside and our big train bell. Right now we have the air turned off for that part. Then another fun thing that I did was I found these old pressure gauges and I hooked them up, and they work, and so I now use them for reading the pressure on the air tank, the compressed air. So we come along here, and some more of our workbench, and of course we got our paint cabinets up here, all these tools, tool drawer. So that's kind of our quick tour of our workshop. Here's some of the tools. And one of the things I made recently that really comes in handy is I got these little sets of casters. And what I did was I got some PVC pipe and drilled and screwed them with a nut and bolt. And now I have sets of 4, and that makes it really easy to move our workbenches around. So rather than dragging them across the floor, now they're all on wheels. And we usually have our camera set up here and take a look at what we are working. So this is our little workshop / studio. So I'm Hawley McLean with Trainly TV, and thanks for watching.